Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a folder in Google Colab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Google Colab does not allow direct upload of folders through the interface. However, you can upload a folder using some code. So now what we need to do is find that folder inside your computer. So I'm just going to use this random folder. I'm going to right click it and then I'm going to compress to a zip file. Alright, so here's my compressed zip file of my random folder. Now from here, I'm going to head back to Google Colab. Then I'm going to click code. Now I'm going to paste this code in here and then click on the little play button. Then from here, it will say choose files. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on choose files. Go to pictures and then here's that compressed zip file. So I'm going to upload that and you can see it's uploading here to Google Colab and it'll give you a percentage of what it's up to. So it's only 3 megabytes in size.